Hi, I'm Sarah with Leer. Today we're going to take you through the features of the 100XQ Sport fiberglass truck cap. This top-of-line cap is loaded with all the standard features that customers expect, and we've designed it with premium, sporty head-turning style. First off, this cap offers a Class A look with an automotive-grade paint and finishes to match the color of your truck. As we move to the front of the truck, you can't see it with the truck cap installed, but this framed front picture window adds visibility from the truck cab through the bed. Your view won't be obstructed by the cap. Depending on how you use the vehicle, additional front windows are available for customizing to your liking. These allow access to the bed from the cab or allow for easier cleaning. Our Leer engineers match the design elements of each truck, resulting in a custom unique window for each model. Today, we're showing the 2024 Tacoma with cutting-edge style lines that complement the truck's contours. We've made sure that the skirted rails follow the contours of the truck to enhance the overall look, extending the cap color into the truck body color. Our factory-installed double bulb seal sets the profile height and keeps water and dust out of the truck. And let's be honest, nobody wants a puddle in their truck bed. These tinted one-piece tip-out windows with screens open easily and add unique styling. Simply open the rear door, lower the tailgate, and you can operate the windows. At the rear of the cap, you'll see that the 100XQ Sport is equipped with a custom-designed integrated spoiler with a third brake light and a compound curved rear door with a painted door skirt. Together, these features create a sporty, tailored look. Plus, they enhance the aerodynamics while driving. These three details are central to making this our premium cap. The Leer twist handle with flip-up weather cover protects the lock cylinder from the elements. One of my favorite features on the 100XQ Sport cap is the remote keyless entry. This feature comes standard and syncs with your OEM key fob. It makes it so much easier to unlock the cap when your hands are full. Let's look inside the rear door. An easy turn handle operates the automotive-style rotary latch system. This is spring-loaded for smooth operation and security. We've added two features to the rear door to help keep your bed dry. First is the water management channel, which guides water away from the rear door opening and tailgate, protecting the bed from the elements. And second is the perimeter seal around the rear door opening. This is an effective moisture barrier to help prevent water intrusion. Also on the door are these gas props, which hold the door open for easy cargo loading and unloading. Moving inside the cap, the standard interior headliner gives the cap a finished look, while providing insulation and comfort. The 20-inch adjustable interior tube light connects to the fuse box. For further customization, additional lighting options are available. Don't worry about drilling into your truck bed rail. These J-bolt clamps hold the cap securely in place. However, on today's Toyota truck, we used a specialty clamp system to secure the cap. Either way, there's no need to drill into the truck bed rail when mounting your cap. On top, the roof is reinforced with half-inch tri-cell structural material. What this means is we've reinforced the roof to make it stronger, allowing up to 500 pounds for a static load or 200 pounds for a dynamic load. Thank you for walking through the 100XQ Sport. As always, all of our caps are assembled in America. They're made right and made for life. If you need more information on this cap or any other Leer truck accessory, visit us online at leer.com. Till next time.